Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little unboxing video of Wave 2. Now, I got 3 of them right now. I'm waiting for the other ones to come out, but yeah. This is Gyro Dragon G5, or D5. But yeah, finally got him in. Here's the parts. Right spin, stamina, D72, and TH10. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, I will try. I'll be. Alright, that was the stadium. But yeah, let's get to the unboxing. I literally just got home too, so if I sound tired is because I was doing some heavy lifting with wood. But yeah. Ow. Okay. Get that out of here. Ow. Of course, there's a gyro. Here's the code. And then sting and charge. So yeah, let's get this. Put this together. Let's check out the slopes. They should be pretty good. Yep, like normal. Let's do a test spin. There we go. Oh geez. Yeah, geez. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. And that doesn't count. And one more launch. Oh, that's why. Three, two, one. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.